What I'm most interested in China, I think it's their people. Through their people, I can understand more their culture and their art. One time, for maybe 10 years ago, I saw the Peking Opera, and for me was, wow, what is this? I got a very strong impression, and I was thinking, wow, I would like to do a film about this. Asian opera actually is very diverse. We have so many different aspects. The histories, this mask changing and fire spitting. The characters are incredibly special, unique. It's traditional, but still keeping modern in one way. I try to take that popular culture from West, now with superheroes, and mix with this traditional Chinese art, do something that maybe we never saw before.
My name is Zakarias Ioannidis Barbaresso. I come from Greece. What I saw is a community of people, a lively collective human body that interacts with buildings and the art on the buildings, which is graffiti. So I saw graffiti and people as a whole.
这个涂鸦街呢，是从2006年开始提出了就用我们的涂鸦艺术为媒介，装点我们的陈旧的一些房子，为社区呢注入新的活力。
So the interesting thing is that I saw that the colors I was seeing in Chongqing, in the leaves, in the walls, that created a unique image in my mind.
I think the key word I would use to describe the shooting would be creatively stimulating. I came to Chongqing to shoot about the Chongqing Europe railway system. It was a very unique experience to be able to take in so many different perspectives of people who live such different lives, and it made me think a lot.
中欧班列在2011年3月19日开行，自己很荣幸担当了中欧班列的首发司机。
事务江通，他是中欧班列第1棒的直乘司机，然后我是作为中欧班列第10万列的直乘司机。首先1到10万列，它是一个中欧班列的一个见证，然后也是相当于我和我师傅的一个传承。
My grandfather was an engineer in the railways. I have been closely connected with the concept of railways since a young kid. The idea of them using something as simple as railway to connect with another corner of the world kind of shows how advanced the technology here is. It's much more than what we would imagine. Because also when you hear about China, you're mostly thinking about Beijing or Shanghai, and Chongqing I hadn't heard a lot, and I didn't know how big the city was and how big the population is. But the fact that here they planned it in such a way that even though so many people live, there is good infrastructure and they maintain it, it kind of shows like it's a very efficient system, which I mean, it's something to take back home and think about.